Just can't wait to get on the road again. Well, I find
Hi friends, this is FirearmPop, here to tell you about another exciting gun show we're going to this month, this weekend coming. It's March 28th, 29th, and 30th. It's called an Extravaganza. It's going to be a 3-day show. The show's going to start on Friday. So we got 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, right in downtown Oaks, Pennsylvania, Phoenixville, Pennsylvania. It's at the Greater Expo Center, Greater Philadelphia Expo Center in right outside of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So it's a 3-day show. Going to be 2,000 tables. That's right, you heard me correct. 2,000 tables. Most shows 400 or 500 tables. Even 1,000 tables is a big show, which is normal for Oaks, Pennsylvania. This one's going to be 2,000 tables. So if you can't find it there, it doesn't exist. So come on down. Make sure you come and see me, FirearmPop. You'll recognize me by my banner. The Remora banner will be flying high overhead. Have the full gamut. We're going to have 2 tables chocked full. I'm even going to have the missus with me on this trip. That's how busy we anticipate being. So come on down, say hello, come see the show. There's a $1 off coupon. You can go to the website. I'll put a link down below. Enjoy it. It's going to be a great show. Everybody's got cabin fever. Everybody's got their income tax returns. Let's go. We'll see you at the show. Oaks, Pennsylvania, Phoenixville, the Greater Philadelphia Expo Center, and that's March 28th, 29th, and 30th. Looking forward to seeing you. Be safe. Drive safe getting there. This is FirearmPop. You be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.